Hello, my name is Troy Mativier, and this is a screen recording for the Milestone One. To start, we're going to click on Games, and we're going to have a blank project without starter content. We can name this project First Game, and go ahead and create that. Once the game comes up, we're finished with that for now, so we can go ahead and just exit out of the game. Alright, moving forward from here, most of our work can be done in the terminal. Let's start by navigating to the project folder by change directory, documents, Unreal projects, and we named it First Game. And then we can list the contents of the first game. And from here we can initiate the repository by git init. To add the git ignore file, we can nano into a text editor and paste in the git ignore file, or we can just save it out. We name it .git ignore. Now if we list with the A flag, should show the git ignore file that's been created. And to test if it works, we can git status. And as you can see that the intermediate and save files are not showing up, so we know the git ignore file is working as expected. Now we can install the large file storage by git lfs install. We also want to track the UMAP and UAsset. So to do that, we type git lfs track wildcard.umap and git lfs track wildcard asset. Now we need to add and commit these files to the repository. Let's start off by checking the status again by git status. And we can see these files are in red, so they need to be added. And we can do that by git add period. Check the status again. Now they're all ready to be committed with a git commit -m with our message. We can say initial commit. Check the status one more time. And we have a clean working tree. Moving away from the terminal for just a second, we need to come over to the GitHub dashboard to create a new repository to remote into. We can name this repository, let's do GAM207. We'll make it private and create. All right, let's just grab this bit of code here. Actually, we'll just grab it down here, copy that, and we'll head back over to the terminal for a second. Okay, let's paste that command in there. And then let's push it to the repository. Push origin master. My audio originally cut out, but I had a little trouble pushing the repository to the GitHub. However, after trying it again, it worked without an issue. All right, back here over at the GitHub page, we can refresh the page and we can see our repository has indeed been pushed over. Now the last thing we can do is we can add the instructor as a collaborator I grabbed the email address off of the class list. We can just pop that in. And here we have the instructor has now been added. As soon as he accepts, he should be able to collaborate on this GAM207 repository. Thank you again, and this has been a screen recording for the Milestone One, and my name is Troy Mativier. If you have any questions, please let me know.